Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's look at three equations, three unknowns. A lot of people tend to default to substitution, but the moment you get to three equations or four equations or five, or even like I did years ago, 10 equations, it's the elimination method that works, especially when we change it into matrices and matrix form. Let's have a look at what's happening. I want to eliminate either the x from two equations, or I want to eliminate the y from two equations, or I want to eliminate the z from two equations. All I look at is there's a 1, a 3 and a 2. I want the lowest common multiple of 1, 3 and 2. I mean, you can go 1 times 3 times 2, which is 6. What's the lowest common multiple of 2, 2 and 1? Well, I could go 2 2s are 4, but the lowest common, and times 1 is 4, but the lowest common multiple is 2. Next one, 3 by 4 is 12, by 2 is 24. It's not the lowest common multiple. The smallest number they all go into is 12. Really great idea, and look at it and go, that's the smallest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make all three of them into a 2. I'm going to write the whole thing properly. So that's got an x plus a 2y plus a 3z equals 12, because it's already got a 2y. That's got a 3x plus a 2y plus a 4z equals 15, because it's already got the 2y. This one will become 4x plus 2y plus 4z equals 16. All I've done is row 3 times by 2. And I probably would prefer to normally write 2 row 3. Now, simple rules. I can add those two, subtract those two. I can add those two, subtract those two, add those two, subtract those two. I'm going to actually have to subtract. Why do I subtract? Because I want to get 2 to eliminate each other. There is another rule I talk about, same sign subtract. That's a plus 2 and that's a plus 2. So they've got the same sign, so I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to subtract. I could go 1 take 2, but I have a look at it and I go, they're all bigger numbers, mostly bigger numbers. I'm going to go 2 take 1. So I put the subtract in to stop making silly mistakes. Then I'm going to go 3x take 2, so I'm going to call this one row 2 take row 1. Old school, we'd write it that way. Probably these days most people would write row 2 take row 1. 3 take 1 is 2x. 2 take 2 is nothing, it's gone. 4 take z is 1z. 15 take 12 is 3. Now, I have a choice of 3 take 1 or 3 take 2, 1 take 2 or 1 take 3. I'm going to go by habit where possible, trying to look at the nicest numbers. Probably that one take that one. Row 3 take row 1 will be 3x. That take that is gone. That take that is z, which is really nice, makes it easy. 16 take 12 is 4. What can I do now? Because they're both z, now this is like a whole new section. I can ignore what I've written there, and I can just ignore everyday stuff. I can go row 2, take row 1, 4, no, right, the minus is in for the silly mistakes. 3x take 2x is x, z take z is gone. Remember, we're same sign, subtract. 4 take 3 is 1, and we've got our x equals 1. What do I do now to go from there to the answer? I sub the 1 back in. You could do this in your head. 3 1s are 3 plus what is 4, and the answer is 1. I'll do it properly. So sub x equals 1, and I've got 3 plus z equals 4, so z equals 1. So now I'm going to sub x equals 1 and z equals 1 into where? I could sub it anywhere I wanted. Any of those 6 equations, there's not really 6, but they're the same. That one looks like the nicest and easiest. So I'm going to go 1 plus 2 by y, I don't know what y is. 3 by z is 3 equals 12. Take 4, and I've got 2y. I've got 2y equals 8, and then I've got y equals 4. So my solution is x equals 1, y equals 4, and z equals 1.